Let's talk about BRITA Fun Water Filter Jug and Cartridge, Blue. Compact, colorful design perfect for smaller kitchens and households. Swing opener lid for easy pouring, fits fridge door with 1.1 liters filtered water capacity, 1.5 liters total capacity. Includes new MAXTRA filter cartridge with 25 finer mesh for better reduction of coarse particles. New microcarbon pearls reduce chlorine and organic impurities which affect taste and odor of food and drink. Ion exchange pearls reduce limescale and metals, enhancing flavor and aroma of tea and coffee. Electronic memo reminder notifies you when to replace filter cartridge. Having bought this BRITA to replace an old BRITA with bigger content and handle. The removal of the handle allows to fit more bottles on your door fridge. When I could fit 2 Tetra Pak with my old large BRITA, I can now fit 3 with it. It is also surprisingly easy to handle. The downside is that you'll have to refill more often. Think of refilling every 2 or 3 large glasses. The filters are easy to put in place as per all BRITA water filter. So far so good. Easy to clean. Really slow to filter the water. Have to fill twice to get a good amount of water. Just descaled my kettle so hope to see a reduction in limescale. Water tastes fresh. Fits well in the fridge door. Easy to pour. Thought the meter was broke but just needs holding in a few seconds. Comes with 1 cartridge. Arrived in its original box, not a postage box, also covered in stickers. Comes with instructions though I found hard to understand. Can be slippery when taking it out of fridge. Would prefer handle but wanted a compact jug as my fridge isn't huge.